Hey Kipsters, it's Ms. Baum here. Today we're going to be working on solving equations. This is part 4. So today the equations that you're going to be working on are going to have fractions. For those equations, you're going to want to change the fraction to a decimal. So let's practice. So 3/4 is 0. 0.75. 4/5 is 0.8. And I like to change my decimals to stack on top of each other. So I'm going to do 0.75 plus 0.8, making sure that I line up my decimals. And I have 5. So I get 1.55. All right, let's try an equation. So for this equation, we're going to balance our equation. Before we balance our equation, though, you're going to change your fraction to a decimal. So you're going to do 0.5x, and then just rewrite the rest of your equation. Plus 5 equals negative x minus 7. And then I'm going to circle my bigger x. So in this case, I know that next to this x, there's that magical 1. And I know that 0.5 is bigger than negative 1 because it's positive. So I'm going to circle that one. My next step is to bring the 1x over to the other side. I need to do the opposite so these cancel. So I'm adding positive 1x to both sides, and I get 1.5x plus 5 equals negative 7. Now I need to bring my numbers all over to the right side. So the opposite of addition is subtraction. I'm going to subtract 5 from both sides. These cancel. I have 1.5x equals negative 12. And then I have to divide 1.5 on both sides. These cancel. Now when I put this into my calculator, I'm going to make sure that I'm putting my negative 12 first, and then dividing by 1.5. And I get x equals negative 8. All right, let's try another one. Why don't you try this one on your own? 1, 2, 3. Let's give this one a try. 1, 2, 3. Let's give this one a go. 1, 2, 3. Let's give this one a go. 1, 2, 3. And last but not least, 1, 2, 3.